The document that we're looking at right now is what we call the cheat sheet in our class. This is going to be an invaluable reference document for everything we do for the rest of the semester. And this video is going to help you understand how to fill it out. So right now we have the C major scale written across the top of the page, and down the left are the names of the scales as we go around the circle of fifths. So going around the circle of fifths, C major 1 sharp, or no sharps, G major 1 sharp, D major 2 sharps, A, E, B, F sharp, C sharp. Then we start over with the flats, 1 flat F major, 2 flats B flat, 3 flats, 4 flats, and so on. The first step in filling this out is to just do the letters of the alphabet. If it's helpful, you can always write a musical clock. Okay, hopefully the alphabet won't be that big a deal, but the musical clock is available, and it's available as a module in this in the Chapter 3 supplemental materials if you need it. So from G, we simply do A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We're not worried about accidentals right now. The next one, D major, is going to go to E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Remember that A always follows G. So you'll go through and fill out all of these letters. When you get to F sharp, don't worry about the sharp yet because we're not dealing with accidentals. So here you're just going to go G, A, B, C, D, E, F. And let me just do one more, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Now, once you've filled out every blank with a letter of the alphabet, go back to the beginning of the page and write the order of the sharps and the order of the flats. So remember, the sharps are Fred can go down and eat breakfast. And the flats are before eating a donut, get coffee first. We're going to need those because those are going to get plugged into the scales. Now, the next thing I'm going to suggest that you do is come over to the margin and write the number of sharps or flats. So C major has 0 sharps and 0 flats. G major 1 sharp. Basically, we're just going to keep track of how many we need in each scale. So I'm just writing numbers 1 sharp, 2 sharps, 3 sharps, and so on all the way down to 7 sharps. Then we're going to start over with 1 flat, 2 flats, 3 flats, 4, 5, 6, and 6. I'm starting to write things that are incorrect here. So I've got it all the way to the bottom with 7 flats. Now, G major is 1 sharp. The sharp that it needs is Fred. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take sharp number 1 and I'm simply going to put it into the scale. Now, D major needs 2 sharps. Fred can. The first 2 sharps are Fred can, and I now have D major. If I go on, A major, let me go ahead and toss in the letters. A major is going to need 3 sharps. Fred can go. So they are going to be out of order because remember the scale is alphabetical, the order of the sharps is not. Fred, look how I'm going to jump backwards here, can go. You finish that all the way down to C sharp major where you have all 7 notes sharp. When you get to F sharp major, don't forget that we need to do something at the end of the scale, right? We have to have F sharp match the F sharp at the beginning. So when you say Fred, even though the first one's sharp, don't forget to put it in there. Fred can, I'm sorry, I did those out of order. Fred can go down and eat. There I have my 6 sharps. Let's do F major. Let me get in the letters. And F major is 1 flat, so we need the word before, right? Because we need before eating a donut. So B gets the flat. 2 flats is before eating. Now, the B flat's already done here, but that does not mean you're done with it. You need to come over to the end and do the B flat. Before eating, and you'll finish it all the way down. When you complete this document, you will have 2 things. You'll have the names of the scales and the numbers attached to the key signatures, just like on the circle of fifths. So you'll need to have a document like this that you can keep handy for reference. We will need it in class almost every day from now to the end of the semester. and you will use it to assist you to do homework.